Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Auzan Aulia, NPM 184111302, class MNG 22DX, Management Strategic. I have a presentation in ethic in marketing. This one. Ethics, moral, psychology, the discipline concerned with what in morality good and bad and moral, right and wrong. The dream is also applied to any system or theory, moral values or principle. The next, what is market ethics? Practice of promoting product and service honest, transparent, and fair to all parties involved, including the customer. It involves adhering moral standard and avoiding manipulative tactic. Treating and paying employee fairly. Searching sustainable material. Caring for environment. Making charitable donation, and then addressing social issue. The next, evolution of marketing ethics. The three evolution marketing ethics. First one, the traditional marketing ethics. Traditional marketing ethics. This refers to the marketing ethics that were prevalent in the past. It might include more traditional ethic principles that might have placed less emphasis on aspects such as sustainable or social responsibility. The next, modern marketing ethics. Modern marketing ethics, this refers to the marketing ethics that are prevalent today. It might include more modern ethic principles that emphasize aspects such as sustainable, social responsibility, transparency, and fairness. The next, Statistica. The word statistic here suggests that where will be data or number used to support the discussion about the evolution of marketing ethics. This data could be from surveys, case study, or relevant market trend. The next slide, type of marketing ethics. Type marketing ethics. First one, positive marketing ethic. This type of marketing ethic focus on the positive aspect of marketing. It embraces the benefit that marketing can bring to consumer, society, and the environment. Positive marketing ethic often of the involve activity like corporate social responsibility, CSR, sustainable marketing practice, and transparent communicate. Companies that prioritize positive marketing ethics strive to build strong relationship with their customer and contribute positive value to the world. The next, normative marketing ethics. Normative marketing ethics. Normative focus on the rule, standard, and principle that with marketing practice. It does set the boundaries for what considered morally right or wrong in marketing. Normative ethics in concert with issues such as harness in the advertising, fair competition, and consumer protection. Companies that adhere to normative ethics aim to avoid harming consumer or engaging in the deceptive practice. The next, why marketing ethics are important. First one, protect the well-being of consumer, support well-being of employee. The next, acts as a good model for other companies. The next one, attract and maintain customer. Next slide. Fundamental principle of marketing ethics. Four fundamental principles of marketing ethics. First one, fairness. Fairness, this principle suggests that marketing activities should be equitable and just, treating all parties involved the transaction fairly. The next, honesty. This emphasizes the importance of being truthful in all marketing communication. It means providing accurate information about product or service and avoiding misleading or deceptive claim. The next, transparency. In marketing means being open, clear about business practice. Involves disclosing relevant information to consumer, such as the ingredients of product or the time of a sale. The next, responsibility. Responsibility, this principle highlights the idea that market have a responsibility to society. It involves considering the environmental and social impact of marketing activities and acting in a way that benefit both the company and community. The next slide, other aspect of ethical marketing. The cyclus ethical marketing. The picture, guys, consumer data protection, and the next, respect consumer privacy. The next, loyalty business model. The next, consumer. The next, ethnic pricing, and then health and safety consumption practice. The next, improved credibility. The next, sustainability and legality. Next slide. Compact of ethical marketing. First one, a credible giving campaign. This refers to a marketing interactive where a company donates a portion of its profit or sales to credible cause. It's way to give back the community and like the company values with social responsibility. The next, centering business decision of an impact on product page. This means that the company is being transparent about how its business decision and product impact society. They might highlight sustainability practice, fair trade, or ethical sourcing on their product page. The next, social responsibility, social media account. This involves using social media platform to promote social responsibility and engaging with customer on issue their match. Include share stories about the company, creatable initiative, uh, promoting environmental awareness, interactive, or encouraging customer participation in social cause. The next slide is impact of unethical marketing. 2022 survey by the Harris Poll Fund that 70% of the consumer should be record time with they felt deceived by company marketing tactic. More alarmingly, uh, 80, 85% of these individuals said they stopped doing business with the company. The next, unethical marketing can also have significant implication. Mission information can lead to public harm, while the lack of digital inclusive can exacerbate social inequality. As per our 2023 study by the Harvard Business Review, companies that fail to prioritize digital inclusion are 11% decrease in customer loyalty and engagement. The next slide, strategy for implementing ethical marketing. First one, adoptical goodness, the create and under comprehensive code of conduct for marketing practice. The next, integrated active into strategy, make ethical concentration crucial to your marketing strategies. The next, train marketing personnel. Provide regular training to your marketing team on the importance of ethics and how to apply them. The next, utilizes technology, leverage to ensure ethical complement should for data privacy, accessibility, software, phone inclusive. Leadership role must set example and foster an organization culture that values marketing. The next slide, ethical issue in traditional marketing. Deceptive, deceptive pricing. First one, this refers to pricing strategies that miss consumer, such as fall discount, hidden fee, or bait and switch tactic. Detective deceptive advertising. This involves using false or misleading claim in advertising to promote product or service. The next fake promotion. This refers to making unrealistic or unverified promise about a product or service to intend consumer. The next, competitive war. This refers to aggressive and unethical competitive practice, such as spreading false rumor about competitor or engaging in unfair business practice. The next, ethical in issue digital marketing. First one, data privacy, digital inclusive, and then mission information. The next, special ethical issue in marketing to children. Children are more vulnerable as compared to adults in case of psychological and apple and strong image, tobacco and alcohol. The next slide, ethical issue in marketing to minorities. Offensive practice might take the form negative or stereotypical representation or mission minorities, associating the consumption of harmful questionable product with the particular minority segment and demeaning portrayal of a race or group. The next, ethical issue surrounding the portrayal or woman in the marketing effort. Advertisement in particular should be evaluated to be short the image project and not offensive. The next, the future of ethical marketing. First one, regulatory change, and the next, sustainable and socially responsible business practice. The next slide, overseeing their entire carbon footprint. The next, sharing all data about manufacturing material and footprint. The next, donating 1% of sales to environmental organization. Asphalt. Uh, First one, pre-order business model. The brand only make item the customer cost. So there no excess inventory or ever product. The next, use quality eco-friendly material. The next, product care with also given to reduce ever consumption. The next slide, Everland motto is when income to well-being. The next, the business event share just behind their product from material to transportation. The next, according to December 2021, the company has completed 90% of its goal of eliminating virgin plastic from the supply chain. Also, they are pushing referral goal related to reducing emission and interesting element of Evelyn ethical marketing strategy sharing detail about the labor condition. The next slide. Albert Hague's standard of verified social and environmental performance and public transparency and consumer appreciation. The next clothing industry due to its undoing, unwavering commitment to eco-friendly production. The next measure in its contribute to carbon footprint and also publish export report. The next highlight their environment-friendly practice in their marketing strategy. Their publication involve renewable material, green energy, and regenerative agriculture. The next also advertise carbon footprint of its production. The next slide conclusion. We understand that the important and benefits of ethical marketing are undeniable and cannot be rejected. By understanding and implementing ethical practice, business can build trust, enhance the reputation that ultimately lead to success. In future, the ethical marketing will play a pivotal role in shaping sustainable and social responsibility business. Uh, Therefore, we as market to embrace ethical practice and that to chart to toward a more honest and equitable digital marketing landscape. Thank you for audience my presentation about CSR. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.